Diamonds with Nikki Diamonds Toy Factory. What we're doing now is for the 66 Malibu, we're wet sanding the 2K primer with 400 grit sandpaper to give you that smooth finish before your base coat. So you just have to take your time, go over the entire vehicle. And again, you want it nice and smooth so your base coat will lay perfect. And after you wet sanded this one, I'll wipe it down with fresh water. And again, you're prepping it for its base coat. And again, this is going to be the candy black cherry. So your base coat is going to be black, and I have your candy black cherry waiting to be applied. So again, this is Nikki Diamonds with Nikki Diamonds Toy Factory. Please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned so you can see me lay the base coat down.